How to unfollow groups on Facebook app easily. If you want to unfollow a Facebook group to stop seeing their post, then here is how you can easily do it. First of all, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Facebook account. Once inside the Facebook app, simply tap on the three dash menu at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once in there, all you have to do is scroll down and tap on the groups option available there. Once you tap on the groups, you will get to see all the groups you have followed here. So you can see the list of groups you have followed. Tap on the group you want to unfollow and navigate to its profile. Now once on the profile, simply tap on the joined option available there and options will be available on your screen. Now tap on the unfollow group option available there. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.